Welcome back. Today's episode is dealing with interior repair due to water damage. What we've got going on with this whole window here, which we've already removed, is that the water has slowly over time intruded into the cabin. Come on, get a better look here. I've already loosened up the couch. So now it's coming apart, and the super cheap laminate, which we're going to replace with our melamine board just like we did on these other repairs. So we're going to take you through the whole thing. Alright, so you've got your window. Across here is the exact window. And it's got all these screws that go around this trim piece. There's about 20, 30 of them. You're just going to use your square drive tip on these square drive screws. Get it in there really good, and you got to put pressure on it. And at that point, you're going to spin them out. And they're very sharp screws. They're self-tappers. You want to retain them and put them right back in the same hole. So obviously, just like all the other repairs we've done, when we've taken out a door hatch or a flanged area or a ladder mount or a tail light, we've got the butyl tape that goes behind. Two layers of butyl tape on these windows because they're pretty thick. And as we tighten all these screws in a crisscross pattern, it's going to ooze that out. Now, sometimes people want to get bathtub caulk or silicone caulking designed for a house or a bathtub or a tub enclosure or whatever to seal with, but that's not what you want, because that stuff is made to go in a bathroom, which isn't going down a highway at 70 miles an hour and vibrating all over the place. You need the butyl tape because it has give. It never sets up. It never hardens. It's like it's organic, and it stays in that seal. So as this box is floating down the road and going over bumps and horse shows and racetracks and everything, it's going to maintain a seal. Whereas if you put the caulking, as soon as it dried and you hit that first bump and it shifted, now it's open. It's not the product to use. You got to have the right product for the right thing. So we've come over here. We've taken all the screws out. You got to have somebody on the outside. This window's fairly heavy, you know, it's not killer, but it's going to bail if you allow it to fall out. Once all the screws are removed, you might have to break the seal a little bit, just like with a putty knife or something behind there. Gently push it out, person takes it, and then we're going to go over prepping the window. When we come back, we're going to be prepping the area for repair, and I'll show you how that's done. Thank you.